Howdy folks, Luke here at Kuhn Truck and RV with a 1-minute walkthrough on this 2012 Forest River Solera 24M. This RV measures 25 feet bumper to bumper and is powered by a 3-liter V6 Mercedes diesel engine. The theater-style seating is arranged in the 7-foot power slide-out, and the Murphy wall bed operates without lifting a finger. The 24-inch flat screen is perfectly placed for viewing pleasure and retracts into the counter with ease to maximize space. The overhead cabinets and large fridge freezer provide plenty of room for storage. Meal prep is easy with the microwave, 3-burner propane cooktop, or oven. The bathroom has even more storage and room to please. For pricing on this RV and other small motorhomes, visit www.truckandrv.com.